Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Makeup Without Limitations. I'm looking at a palette here and I'm trying to sit with myself. So just go with the flow and let us have some makeup fun. I am going to start with this color right here. It is a cool tone brown. I am going to play with it and just put it in the brow bone. I need a better mirror, so I switched. Every time I fix one thing, something else breaks. Well, not really break, but gotta fix lighting and everything. So I am not sure how this lighting is, but I am here to play with some makeup. Get your palettes out and let us have some makeup fun. This brown is just going into my brow bone. Okay, so the brow bone shade is in. It is a cool tone brown, as you can see. This is it. Moving to the next shade. Big fluffy brush. My background will change again, but for now, this is what I'm working with. Location change. Needed to do it. I needed to change my location for sure. Just keep rocking with me. The color I'm using now, it's a maroon shade. I'm just taking that and putting it in the crease and also tying it with the brow bone color. What you do to one eye, also do it to another. Well, not to another, to the other. I have steps to do, so I'm just paying attention to my steps that I need to do. And this is it, the second color. Can you see it? There is an AC in the back, ground. If you can hear it, that's what it is. I'll try to edit it out, but that's about the noise you might be hearing. This is a peachy pink color. Peachy pink color I am going to put right on the lids. I did not use a white base today, so the colors are not going to show up and pop up a lot. I use a skin color eye base. I went ahead and put glitter glue on my lids and in the crease. I need to use a shimmer. What shimmer? I'm not sure. I'm just going to pick one or maybe two. So let's just go with the flow. I'm using a pencil brush first. That's the brush I use to put the glitter glue on. So I'll try that first. I'm going into another shimmer. I need more shimmer than this. I'm keeping it subtle, but I don't think that's working. Let's see what else. Is this a shimmer? Yeah, that's a shimmer. I'm not swatching anything, as you can see. I'm just going in and not even knowing what's what. That's the fun of my makeup. I don't swatch. Most very, very rare do I swatch. So it's always a surprise for you and me. It is always a surprise for you and me. Always. Because I hardly swatch before I put it on my eye. I think these two are looking pretty good together. What do you think? I think they are looking good. Let me dress this up and then come back and show you the complete look. This is looking good. This is today's look. Unplanned, always. Open up a palette and just pick colors and play with makeup. That's what I do here on Makeup Without Limitations. That's why no limitations mean you can do anything you want with your makeup. I played with the Be Perfect eyeshadow palette. It is the XL Pro palette. I have panned many of the shades. I have panned many of the shades. I am planning to pan more shades in this palette. So I'll be playing with this palette as a panning project. I'll be playing with this palette to pan as many shades as possible. So now I have a panning project happening. Be Perfect Carnival Pro XL. That is what I have on my eyes today. My blush is by Mented. It is called Buried Away. The base I have on today is the L'Oreal and it is a 365. And 365 is also called Copper. My lip color is an oldie but goodie. It is Revlon and it is a lip polish. And I use a brown Wet n Wild liner. As always remember you are first. Love yourself plenty. Do not ever dim your light for another, because you dimming your light for another does not help someone else shine brighter. Be who you were meant to be in every shape, form, fashion, or style. Always know that you're loved on this channel. Thank you for watching. Please remember to hype this video and share it with someone else. And also, I would appreciate it if you visit my website, which is called quiettimesreading.com. See you in the next video. Bye. I'm loving this eye look. Loving it, baby. Yeah. Bye. This is pretty. Hopefully, I get my lighting right. Hopefully, everything is right. I hope so.